Hello, boys and girls. This is reading time, coming to you again to read another story. It's our reading time. Today, we're going to read a story titled Biscuit Goes Camping by Alyssa, Satin, Capucilli, pictures by Schories. Now, looking at the front cover, what do you think this story will be about? Now, have you ever gone camping before? All right. Well, guess what? Let's read to see what happens when Biscuit goes camping. This way, Biscuit. It's time to go camping. Woof, woof. We have our tent. Woof. We have our flashlight and blankets too. Woof, woof. They're excited about going camping. Silly puppy, no tugging. It's time to go camping. Woof. Wait, Biscuit. What have you found? Woof, woof. Croak. You found a frog, Biscuit. Woof, woof. What does frog begins with? What sound does frog begins with? Frog begins with F. That's the F sound. Great job, boys and girls. Woo, woo. Funny puppy. It's only the wind, Biscuit. There are so many new sights and sounds when you go camping. Woof. Oh, Biscuit, what have you found now? Woof, woof. What do you think Biscuit found now? Let's read to find out. Blink, blink. It's a firefly, Biscuit. The firefly says good night. It's time for us to say good night too, Biscuit. Curl up, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Look, they are sleeping. Crack, crack, boom, boom. Wonder what that is. Wonder what is going on now. Let's read to find out. Oh no, here comes the rain. How can we go camping now? Woof, 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 woof. Biscuit, wait for me. It's about to rain. Woof, smart puppy. You found the perfect place to go camping. Blink, blink. Woof, woof. There's that firefly. Good night, Biscuit. The end. Now, Biscuit went camping, but it started to rain. And what did they do when it started to rain? They went inside to camp. So, it doesn't matter where you are. You have to make the best of it. And that's what they did. They went camping inside of the house. And I think that was fun also. Did you guys enjoy that story? All right, now it's time for you to draw your favorite part of this story. Biscuit goes camping. And also, I want you to draw about a time that you went camping. Or if you haven't gone camping, I want you to draw a picture of you going to camping. What do you think it would be like if you go camping? Okay? Hope you guys enjoyed that story. See you guys later.